Welcome back to my channel, guys.
Today we'll be cooking fufu. Fufu is one of the main condiments in my country, the DRC. Alongside the rice, plantain, potatoes, fufu is one of the main ones we eat. I've seen a lot of different ways of cooking fufu. I've seen Ghanaian way, Nigerian ways, and it's way too different than the Congolese way. So today I'm gonna show you how to cook Congolese fufu. We need cassava flour, and I just got this from one of our local African marketplace. It's literally cassava flour. We call that fufu, as you can see. And usually when we make fufu, we use flour. But if you don't have corn flour, it's okay, don't worry. You can use semolina, and I'm gonna be using the yellow semolina. So that's gonna replace my corn flour. But if you can use corn flour, it's gonna be just the same way. So let's get started. And just turn on stove. And add a little bit of water. And this is warm water actually. I start with cold water just to get the consistency of the semolina, and we call that poto poto. So you mix that, you mix it with warm water afterwards. Okay, 5 minutes, that was enough. Just come back. That's the consistency we want. And I am gonna start by adding semolina first. Turn my heat just to low. I'm gonna just start stirring the semolina on itself first. See how it looks? It's sticky. It's kind of like, and that's what I want. Now I'm gonna add my cassava flour, the fufu. And I want to completely turn my heat off, my stove off. Okay. So I'm gonna take my pot and show you how we cook our fufu. You need to be on a surface, like you can put it on the floor, but make sure to always drop something so you won't damage your floor. You put it right there. And we're gonna grab our fufu cutter. We call that a kateli. And there it is. I will see you next time. Keep watching. And please remember to subscribe to my channel. And let me show you how we cook. You have a good day. Bye.